The noblest of all profession is being a doctor. Today we have different hospitals, but a handful who can have faith and trust in Rudrapur, Uttarakhand, India. Today we are going to share the glimpse of conversation with Dr. Mandeep Singh through this exclusive interview with Voice Asia News.
When I get dressed, it's not a job. With each patient I lose, it's in my car that I sob. I am a human being and I bleed just like you. With each death I witness, I dies along with it too. Dear friends, there are superheroes who do not wear caps, and they are doctors. And today we are so honored and privileged to have with us Dr. Mandeep Singh from Rudrapur, Uttarakhand, who is the Managing Director of Metro City, Rudrapur. Welcome to Voice Asia, sir.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Sir, I would really love to know about you, from where your journey to be a doctor actually started. I want you to tell our viewers about yourself.
I'm from a very small town named is Khatima. It is in Udham Singh Nagar. Initially, it was part of Uttar Pradesh and the district was Nainital. So I did my basic education and up till the 12th standard I was studying there only in a government college. From there, as a dream, my father encouraged me to opt the profession of a medical practitioner. So from there, with his encouragement and his motivation, I opted for medicine, and then I started my career as a medical practitioner. I did my basic MBBS from Nepalganj Medical College, Nepal, and after that I worked with few government hospitals as a resident in Delhi, and then I got the opportunity to get my post-graduation done in a prestigious institute like National Institute of TB and Respiratory Diseases in Delhi. So I did my post-graduation from there, and then I went to Metro Hospital and I worked under Dr. Deepak Talwar. He is one of the prestigious pulmonologist and DM pulmonology there, one of the first DM pulmonology there in India. So I worked under him, and then I used to handle one of his center there in Preet Vihar.
Sir, as you said that you were in Delhi, so being a metropolis city, you would have ample opportunities to grow in your career. Why you chose Rudrapur city to come back and to start work over here with Metro City?
And why I chose Rudrapur? Because it is a center place which is connecting other districts also, other states also. So it was a better place to nurture my dream, my father's dream, so that I come here and I started my practice here.
In which year you established this hospital, and what is the different thing which you are serving for your patient that the patient should come to the hospital?
I started this hospital in 2016. At that point of time in Rudrapur, pulmonology was not considered as any branch here. So I had up the vision in the brain that I should give the city and the district the best of the pulmonology facility care. We started with the first unit of Udham Singh Nagar as a bronchoscopy unit, sleep study unit, and pulmonary function test unit.
Sir, I believe we live in a town where we still can have a faith, 100% faith that the management, the doctors, the hospital gonna treat the patient rather than treating the pocket. So how will you comment on this, and how you think your hospital is different from the others?
Our motto line is like healthcare for all. This was the idea to bring it here. And look, faith is very important, and faith comes with the transparency. If you have transparency in your practice, faith will develop itself. If faith is there, you will get the motivation to develop better hospitals, better facilities, and then you can have the better opportunities for common people. So faith is very important, and I would request the citizen of my state and my district that they should have faith in your doctor. Whosoever is your doctor is taking good care of you. Even I am not the only doctor available here. There were many senior doctors, and even then they serve the city, serve the district, and I think common people should have faith in their doctor.
So how the COVID period was for Metro City, how you treated the patients you get, how you get them admitted, and how you treated them, so that you make sure that the patient who's reaching your hospital gets complete benefit of it?
I am a pulmonologist, and if I don't work here for my people, it will be waste. So I should work for the people. I should dedicate myself to them. So I declared this hospital as a dedicated COVID hospital, and then we we admitted as much as patients we could admit with these limited resources. At that point of time, everybody was scared to come into the hospital, so some of our staff left at that period of time, and then the staff which was left there, they worked hard with us. So I'm thankful to my staff also, they worked hard with me.
How many patients got admitted during the pandemic time, and how many got completely relieved from the COVID?
Almost everybody was relieved. Almost we admitted almost 250 patients, and casualties were were there in single digit.
So, last message which you want to give to the to the people of Rudrapur, people of the districts which Rudrapur connects. So, what is the message you want to give about the hospital and about the hospitality that you give?
So look, this hospital is for common people. Everybody can come and avail the facility. If you don't have money, you can come here and you can get the treatment. We are associated with lots of NGOs. They are also helping poor patients, and we are also helping them. Even with the patients without money, they are getting medications here, they are getting investigations done here, they are getting treatment here. If required, they get admitted, we get them admitted here. So my motive is that nobody should die because of lack of money.
Thank you so much. This was with us Dr. Mandeep Singh, the Managing Director of Metro City Rudrapur, who says that a person should not be left untreated if we do not have a money in the pocket. Thank you so much, sir, for your time. Thank you so very much.